morning, sir, ma'am.
Good
Welcome
morning.
to Alice Spa Hotel. May I take your luggage, ma'am?
Yes.
I've unloaded your luggage. There are 16 pieces. Could you check your luggage if it is complete?
Yes. Is it complete?
Okay, that's this way to the front desk. This way to your room, sir, ma'am. This way, sir, ma'am.
Thank you.
Here's your key card, Sir Sally and Ma'am. Now let me quickly show you how everything works. This is the air conditioning thermostat. You can adjust the temperature by turning the dial. And for the bathroom light, the switch is just here to the next door. Sir, here's your TV remote. To turn it on, just press the power button. For special channels features, you may need to press the menu button to navigate.
Thank you. Game.
Thank you, ma'am, sir. Hi, sir.
Good morning.
I was informed that shower doesn't have water. Is really a purpose for inconvenience. I'll ask you to transfer the room to 10, which is fully equipped and ready for your comfort. May I take your luggage, sir?
Yes, please.
Sorry, sir. Sir, ma'am, we've arrived at room 210. Let me quickly check the shower to ensure the hot water is working properly before we settle in. I've confirmed that the hot water is functioning perfectly here. If everything looks good to you, I'll help you arrange your luggage now.
Okay.
You may come.
Thank you for checking. We appreciate your assistance. Thank
Here's
you.
your new key, sir, for your new room. It's my pleasure, sir, ma'am. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call front desk and enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Sir. Good morning, Sir Sadie.
Good morning.
I'll be the one who assisting you with your checkout today. I'll just fill out the checkout slip with your room number and items to be picked up. Before we leave, Sir Sadie, could you please double check your luggage if it is all complete?
Is it complete?
Can I help you with your luggage? I'll just check with the desk clerk to see if the room key has been returned before we can switch the checkout process. Hello, Mr. Sadie. Could you kindly return the key to the front?
I'm sorry. I forget. Please, okay.
Thank you, sir. Oh, Sir Sadie, I'll take the signed checkout slip from the desk clerk. If your account hasn't been fully settled, your luggage will be secure stored here until the balance is paid. Once cleared, I assist with loading your luggage.
Thank you.
Uy, dalawa na lang.
Game.
May iPhone.
Here's the card.
Yun na.
Oo.
Here's your luggage, sir.
Thank you.
Safe travels, Mr. Sedi and Miss Rain. I hope you had a pleasant stay. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for choosing Ada Spa Hotel. And stop the checkout slip now and leave it to front desk. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.